Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. So first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. So when you are playing on your Toca Life World and you cannot see a character or a character disappeared on your Toca Life World, what you'll need to do is just go back to the home page. So just click onto the button, the door icon right there on the upper left part of your screen. So just tap onto that. So this should be able to lead you to the home page of the game. So just click onto the home icon again. Just load it for a few seconds. So as you can see in here, you will see a restart button on the upper part of your screen on the right side. So upper right side, and just click onto the restart button right there and then click onto the reset. So this should fix the problem, and after doing that, just click on to the game again and see if your character is visible again. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.